After ranking several videos on my channel, I've come to understand that this is why your hashtag on your videos are not working. Most of you just drop hashtag in your video description and then hoping that that video is going to go viral. If you want your video to go viral, then you have to be intentional about it. Waiting on YouTube to bring views to your video is the fastest way to kill your channel. That is why you need to rank your video when uploading your video. And here in this video, I'm going to guide you on how to do that. First, I'm going to be uploading a video and then you're going to watch me as I upload this video, the step-by-step process of me uploading this video so that you can have a clear understanding on how to do this. So here I'm in my YouTube studio right now. So from here, we have to click on create. So from this create, we'll click on upload videos. And from here, you select files. Here, you're going to select the video file that you want to upload. So from here, I've selected the video file. I'll click on open. First thing you need to do is to enter in your video title. So for this video, I'm going to paste in my video title. This video title, if you notice here, you see a score here, 86 score. If you want to get this high score on your video title, then you need to have vidIQ extension installed on your device. I'll leave a link to this extension in the video description so you can get access to it. So now we have entered in our video title. There is something we call keywords. So for this particular video, I'm targeting a particular keyword. The keyword I'm targeting is free AI image to video generator. And that is what I want to run this video for. So after that, I'm going to copy this entire video title. Then ChatGPT is going to do most of this work for us. And this is what is going to help us get the right keywords to use and the right tags to use in this video. When you get to ChatGPT, you have to enter in this particular prompt, work on this, then you enter in your video title. After that, you are going to say, so I can score 100 on vidIQ score. So after entering that, you send it. After sending that, ChatGPT is going to give you a reply. Here is a fully vidIQ optimized package for your video. So this is the SEO title keyword. So for you to have high CRT, that is high click-through rate, then you need to follow this thing. So here I say best free AI image to video generator, unlimited, no credits needed, 2025 tutorial. You can decide to add this year to your own, or you decide to leave that according to your own video title. That is what we are working on. So from here, we are going to come down. So this is the SEO description. This particular part is very necessary because when people are looking for something on YouTube, people, they usually type in a particular question or a particular keyword, meaning they know what they are looking for. And that is where your description is going to play a vital role in getting them to see your video. So from here, this is the description we have gotten. So it's saying looking for a best free AI image to video generator in 2025. In this tutorial, I'll show you a powerful tool that lets you turn your images into powerful professional AI videos completely free, unlimited, and with no credit required. So if you notice something here, ChatGPT is highlighting each of those keywords that we have in our video title in the description that is given to us. So we have this. If you come down here, you can see those keywords are being highlighted, and this is how you are going to rank high when people search for this particular topic. So we'll copy the description and then we'll go back to our video, and from here we'll go over to our description area and then we'll paste in the description which we just copied. So after pasting in the description, it is not done yet because you need to edit this description so that you can have what we call triple keywords on your video, and this is going to help your video rank high. I'm going to show you that. So after entering in the description, we need to go and add hashtag under our video description. So we'll go back to that same ChatGPT, and from here you can see this is the hashtag we need to use under our video description. So you just have to copy this hashtag. Mostly what I do is I copy the first three hashtags that is mostly related to my video. I copy that, then go over to my video, and at the beginning of my description, I make sure I paste that. At the beginning of my description. That is going to be the top of my description. After getting that right, then the rest hashtag that we have here, I'm going to copy that and then paste that at the last part of my video description, which is this side. I'm going to paste that right at the last part of my video description. After getting that, then you come down and here you need to upload your video thumbnail. So here you click on upload file, and from here you select the video thumbnail you want to upload. So you just have to add this video thumbnail. So we'll come over here. This is needed. You need to add playlist. So make sure we add our video to a playlist by clicking on playlist, then adding it to playlist. Then we'll come down and select the necessary things we need to choose from here. And then the important part is the video tags. Most people will tell you these tags are not necessary, but if it was not necessary, then YouTube wouldn't have included this feature for you when uploading your video. So we need to pay attention to this also. So I'm going to clear all my tags that are here. If you can add your own channel name, so that anytime they search for your channel name, your channel is going to be visible. So after that, we are going to go over here, and this is the keywords we are going to be using. So from here, you notice that the keywords that was generated for us include what we have in our title. So you can't have a different video title and then you use different thing entirely as your keywords. So we are going to copy these tags. So copy the entire tags. Then we'll copy that. Then we'll go over to our video area where you see tags and click inside and paste in that tag. So you can see these are the tags we have under our video. So after adding these tags, you can go through the tags and add other things that are related to your video, but you need to pay attention to the first three tags that you add under your video should be what your video is about. So I'm going to remove my channel name first and add these related tags that my video is on. So the first three or the first five should be that particular thing that your video is on. So after adding that, we need to come down here and there are no other things we need to choose from here. So after setting those details, then you need to go ahead and click on next. You can then add ads on your video by using the monetization settings for those that are monetized, and after that you can go ahead to check your visibility. For me, what I do is that I keep my video unlisted for at least 1 hour before I publish my video to go live. So by doing this, by following this procedure, if you don't understand perfectly, if this video is fast, then you need to slow down the speed of this video and make sure you understand everything I've just explained in this video. And by doing this over and over again on your videos, then you are going to see changes in your video views, because by doing this, you're going to get views from search, you're going to get views from browse features, you're going to get views from YouTube recommendation. If you get high views from search, then YouTube is likely going to recommend your videos to people and you're going to get views on browse features. If this video was helpful and if you'd like me to do more video talking about how to get high views on your video, then do well to like this video, subscribe to the channel and drop a comment under this video, and I would like that. I'll see you guys in my next video.